When I was in the classroom, I loved doing what I was doing. I loved it, but I found that staff would come to me a lot and ask questions about kids they were struggling with, and I just kind of felt like maybe I could impact more kids if I supported the teachers. So I really had to think about how can I impact more students in a different way, and this was just really the path to be able to do that. So instead of touching the 20 students I have in my classroom or the 120 students that I have at the high school, I'm reaching all, 13,000 students that, are around. You've got to love your job, but you also can't kill yourself for a job that'll post before your obituary. And so I feel like personally, I'm somebody that values my students and knows that I take that home, and that's the hardest part about our job. But also, I feel like regardless of what you do, as long as you're making a decision based on the best interest of the student, you can never go wrong. Our students have challenges every day they show up, but we can take those challenges and really see them soar. And I just feel like we have to be a champion for kids. And I think the same is true for staff. We are in an educational shortage. We can't keep treating this career as something that happens 24/7 and that we are putting our whole soul into if we're not giving back to ourselves. We're able to just support each other and really advocate for what's the best interest of our students and then what's the best interest of our staff and really balance those things. To be a successful administrator, the staff are willing to follow, but the staff are also willing to lead. I think it's the ability to listen to what's going on and then say, okay, let's problem solve this together. And how do we make change together? I don't think it comes from me. I don't think I have any of the magic answers by any means. I think I have amazing staff who are willing to collaborate and listen. But I also think it's because they know that I will listen to them when they come to me with something, and they know that I'm flexible with what's going on in their own lives. But I think it's really just the ability to help the staff see how amazing they are and what they can do.